ng puso, ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko simula ng matanto na balang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. Ikaw radyod ang akong palangga. 1 hour na ako. 47 minutes. I sing it with her. You sing with her? You have a Filipina girlfriend? From where? Bisaya, Tagalog, or where? Where in Philippines, brother? Where in Philippines? Cebu? Oh. So what is your experience being in Filipina girlfriend? Buang. 47. I wait for 1 hour. Beautiful song. Yeah, I don't like love song. I think it's love song. I don't like love song. It makes me cry every time I heard that love song. You know? Ano siya ni? Sa pagpatat ng mga oras ay ikaw. Ang uwi naman ng team song nyo. Ikaw po. From Luzon ay. She is Tagalog. Marilaway pa siya. Pinay girlfriend, she's in Australia. So she is there. Never malapit sa iyo. Yeah, every time I don't like, ever since the world began, I don't like love song. I'm like a baby, you know, the baby when they heard the song Lullaby, like songs that, you know, they cried, right? You see the babies, and they heard the lullaby, like ano baby? Nabuang na ko dito. Nagkakaon man ang tako pa niya po. Pero marag kulang pa man to. To cry like a baby. No. I just told you. Sometimes, you know, the baby like that also. When they heard a lullaby, they cried. Just me also. Every time I heard love song, I almost cried. Like, don't sing it, you'll start crying. Australian. She's from Australia.